Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your homemade oatmeal chocolate chip cookie mix. In this video, I will show you how to make oatmeal chocolate chip cookies mix. First, combine all the dry ingredients in a large bowl. You will need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget to add 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon for that warm, inviting aroma. This foundational step ensures your cookies have the perfect texture and spice. Next, let's incorporate the heart of our oatmeal cookies. Gently stir in 2 1/2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Then, add the sugars, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. These sugars provide both moisture and a delightful chewiness. Finally, mix in 1 1/2 cups of your favorite semi-sweet chocolate chips for that classic, irresistible flavor. Once all your ingredients are thoroughly combined, it's time to store your homemade cookie mix. Carefully transfer the entire mixture into an airtight container or a large, sealable bag. It's a great idea to label the container with simple baking instructions, so you're always ready to bake. Store this versatile mix in a cool, dry pantry, and it will stay fresh for up to 3 months, making future baking a breeze. When you're ready to bake, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add these wet ingredients to your prepared cookie mix and stir until just combined. Drop rounded tablespoons onto a baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. Enjoy your warm, homemade cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.